In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post in Skool. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. In the results, click the official Skool website to head straight to the platform. If you use Skool often, consider bookmarking the login page so it's faster next time, but for now, just select the correct link. Once the site loads, log into your account. Use the credentials associated with the community where your post lives. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Skool home. From here, go to the Community tab. This is where conversations, announcements, and shared resources are posted, and it's the place you'll find the content you want to update. Locate the post you want to change and click it to open the full view. This ensures you're editing the right item and can see all the current details, including the title, body, category, and any attachments or links. In the top right corner of the post, click the three dots, the menu labeled with the symbol. This opens the post options. Choose Edit. If you don't see the Edit option, you may not have permission to modify that post, or you may not be logged into the right account. You're now in the editing screen. Here you can update the title to make it clearer and more searchable. Keep it specific and use keywords your community members would expect. In the body, rewrite or refine the text for accuracy and readability. Tighten long paragraphs, fix typos, and add missing details your audience needs. If the information has changed since you first published, make that clear so readers understand what's new. You can also change the category so the post appears in the most relevant place. Picking the right category helps members discover your content and keeps the community organized. If your post includes files or media, add or remove attachments as needed. Double-check that any links still work and point to the right destinations. When you include a link, give it a short description so people know why it's there before they click. When your edits look good, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. This updates the post for the whole community immediately. The published post now reflects your changes and should display as expected, aligned with your community guidelines. That's it. You've successfully edited a post in Skool, from finding the platform to saving clean, accurate updates that help your community stay informed.